This is Annick Malenfant from Full Circle Wellness Center. And this is the Theta Healing Meditation as created by Vienna Steibel, founder of Theta Healing. The intent of this meditation is to support you as you explore Theta Healing in your life. Begin by taking a few nice, long, deep cleansing breaths, allowing your full and complete awareness to move to your heart space, being fully and completely present in this moment. Imagine the earth's energy swirling up your legs, up into your body, allowing you to be grounded firmly in the place where you find yourself right now. If you get distracted by a thought, feeling, or emotion, simply return your full and complete focus back to your breath to help keep you centered during this meditation. Finding yourself fully grounded now, allow your full awareness to move from your heart space up to the top of your crown, and allow your consciousness to push through the top of your head, and you see yourself in this beautiful ball of light. Notice what color you have chosen your ball of light to be. Notice the change in perspective from that angle, allowing yourself to move up just a little. And when you're comfortable, continue to move up, all the way up into the sky, moving up past the atmosphere, perfectly safe and comfortable in your ball of light, pushing through the outer atmosphere, moving past the moon, past the outer planets, leaving our solar system and moving outwardly until you reach the edge of the Milky Way galaxy, and keep moving up, up, up until you reach the top of our universe. You'll pass by comets, nebulas, and other galaxies. Breathe in their beauty as you move by them. And at the top of our universe, you'll notice this beautiful bright light. Go ahead and move through that light. That big, beautiful light. And then keep moving through layers of light. They are brighter and bright, brighter and bright, brighter and bright. Moving at the speed of light, you move through these seemingly infinite layers of light. Keep moving up. Keep moving all the way up. And allow yourself, as you move up, to see this big bright light. It's got a golden shine to it, if you will. Move up. You might notice a familiar feeling or sense to this place. Just keep moving. Still safely nestled in your ball of light, keep moving up until you reach this jelly-like substance where you push through gently and easily. Your ball of light melts away and you swim through this jelly-like substance, moving up until you come out to the top of that layer. And there you find this beautiful, tingly white light This whitish glow, allow it to move through your body. Allow your body to, in a sense, disappear and become fully and completely part of this tingly white light. Allow yourself to become part of all that is. It's as if you can no longer feel the separation between your own body and the energy. You are perfect in every way. You are at the 7th plane at this time. It might feel welcoming. You might notice a beautiful, loving presence, a singular presence, maybe even a feeling of being recognized for your true, authentic self. At this time, feel free to spend as much time as you would like at this state. And when you choose to leave the 7th plane, simply allow yourself to rinse off with this beautiful white light, just like a shower. And then come back through all the layers that you did before. As you went up, you'll move back through the top of the universe and coming back to our galaxy, our solar system, our planet, and finally back into your body, pulling again the energy up from the planet and allowing yourself to being again fully and completely centered. I hope that you have found this meditation helpful as you continue to practice achieving the 7th plane state.